What's up, guys? Shawn Mayo here, and today I'm going to show you how we use BrickSeek to take products we have on a sourcing list or products we've already been selling but can't find in our local store to find what stores have them in stock. So what we're looking at here is the BrickSeek main page. Now, there is a paid version. It just allows you to see more stores and some other things that we don't use. So it's kind of optional if you want to use it. I think it's about 20 bucks a month, and there's a few ways that we can look something up. So you can either search by a brand. I put in Masters of the Universe. It's super hot right now, and we can see prices of most of the products that are going to be available in stores, what stores they are, what the lowest prices are, etc. So now I know that this is a great selling product right here, the first one, Master of the Universe Sky Sled. We can see if we go to the page that it's selling for almost $29, and BrickSeek says that it is, whoops, wrong page, that it's actually on clearance right now at Target. It's being discontinued, so discontinued products are a great product to sell. It really doesn't matter. Whatever you want to search for in any category, you're going to be able to see a menu like this. So we can either click on that, we can click on any of these and it's going to take us to that page, or we can just click on the title and it's going to bring up a new page. And then it's going to show us where they're at. So there's third-party sellers on Amazon selling them for about 30 bucks, about the same as it's being sold on Amazon. Or we can use Walmart. This is Walmart as a seller because this is about a $30 product. And then Target does have them on clearance. So what we can do is click on the check inventory button, and it's going to take us to this page where it's going to show the MSRP is $33.99. It has a DPCI number and the UPC. So you can click on those, and it's going to take you right to the page to see it on Target. But really, what we want to do is we want to find the local inventory. So it already puts the DPCI number, which is like an ASIN on Amazon for Target, or a UPC, Target's own version of the UPC. So you're going to want to put in whatever zip code you want to search, and then how you want to search. So distance is cool if you want to find the closest stuff, but if it's sold out in a lot of places, the quantity is the best way to do it, and I'll show you. And here's a map. I'm located right about here, so it's showing everything in our area that has them in stock. And then it's going to show all the stores that have them in stock and the price. So some things will have different discounts at different stores. So this is showing all the stores that have them in stock. There's a few that are out of stock. Sometimes we're only going to find a couple stores that have these products in stock. And this one is a great product. So if we're buying it at $12.89, we can see, it's selling. The cheapest one is selling for $28.49, then $29.99. And I looked at these on Amazon. The rank is under 10,000. So right now, it's a 37% ROI, which is pretty good. But we can see after these guys sell out, there's only about 5 units here, and it's ranked 10,000. I mean, that should sell out today. And then the price is going to jump up to $42.67 if no more come in stock. And then we're over 100% ROI, making a $16 profit. So we can see that, it's a great product. And this isn't to tell you to go out and find this product. This is just showing you how we can take any product from our list. We have an RA list. You can see the link down below, or click the link and you'll see the link to sign up for our retail list, which is going to show you items you can find in store, and then you can be using BrickSeek to find them if they don't have them in your local store. Because I know a lot of people are always complaining that their products sell out and then they're gone, or they're never in stock, or the best problem to have is that you don't have enough available to buy. So your store may only have 5 or 6 of a seasoning or condiments and food, or a certain toy may only have a couple. So now you can search other stores. And another thing that we do is we will go and look at our own inventory that is in stock. Look at your Amazon inventory, find products that sell out, and then go on BrickSeek and see if you can find them. They may be in, they may have been discontinued and be in a clearance, or it's just a really popular item that people are buying a lot of, and you can just travel a little bit and find those products in other stores. We've been using BrickSeek for years, and it's an amazing tool to find products. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.